So I deleted the first one, so let's do it again. I click on A and then I click on B. Now make sure that our stroke is 4. I press the return key. Now I'm going to start with the arch. I click on A and then I go to B and I pull and I go to the open circle with the endpoint. I click on C and I pull to the open circle and then I click on D. And then I press return to disconnect that path. Now we're going to do this kind of S shape. So I'm going to click on A. I'm going to click, I'm just going to click on A, and then I click on B, and then I'm going to pull to the open circle between B and C. Then I click on C, and I pull to the open circle. Then I click on D, and I pull to the open circle. Same thing with E and pull. And then F, and I pull my anchor point to the open circle between F and G, and then I click on G, and then I press return. Now the goal is to use the least amount of paths or endpoints as possible, and the reasoning behind that is it'll be easier to edit. It also takes up less room in your files. So go ahead and try those 3 components.